So also comment, trying to check something. So so just good, okay? So yeah, so guys, I will only be analyzing gold charts by the way, just and this will be a top-down analysis of how I took a buy on gold last week. I took a buy on gold last week. Let me show you. Let me show you before. Hold on. Where is this thing now? Okay, so this is good charts by the way. So we'll be starting our analysis all the way from so we'll be starting our analysis all the way from daily time frame. Then I'm going to explain how I get to catch this trade right from here. Come on. How I get to catch this trade right from here. Then my second entry was somewhere around here. My second entry was somewhere around here. So I'll give you a full explanation of everything. A full explanation of everything. Just make sure you're in. Okay, yeah. So let's get started. So first thing first is to mark out my inducements. And this is the pattern I'll be using the most. I'll be using the concept of protected high and low, right? And I will only be marking out inducement that is going to create scrap to most traders. Meaning that this, let's say this is a early inducement I will be marking out. This is the inducement I'll be marking out because in a case like this support zone right here is going to create a lot of trap for most traders. Some people will be seeing this as a demand zone, some as a support, basically support zone, and then they want to take a buy. And then some traders will see candlestick confirmation around this side, not knowing that the market is just trying to trap them, give them confirmation that they are going to go in for their trade, says their stop loss, and then they'll get stopped out and the market is going to move in their favor. So this is this is the type of inducements I use only. Okay. And this is the second type of inducements. This one. Yeah, this one. As you can see, the difference between this and this is that this current market right here, it has not yet broken this resistance level. It has not broken this resistance level, as you can see right here. So some people would come and they would say this is their own inducement, right? This is their inducement, and they will mark their POI below right here. Their POI will be below right here. Okay, I don't use it type. I don't use this particular one. The first one I do here is the one I use. So now let's go straight to the chart and then let me give you a full analysis of how I mark my inducement and how I was being able to long this buy. Yeah, so now going to the daily time frame, you can see the same pattern I just drew finish. We have okay, we have a high and low. Then markets break this current resistance, then giving us a new high around the side. Now, in a case like this, I'll be marking out this low right here, this low as my inducement, right? Which serves as my pullback. Okay, I'll be marking out this low as my inducement. Then, as you can see right here, we have a break of structure here. We have a break of structure here. Let me zoom Let me zoom out very well for you guys. We have a break of structure here, and upon the break of structure, we have this other block, right here on daily time frame. But most of the times, my daily time frame is just to mark my inducements. This other block right here on daily time frame. So now let's go to 4 hours also to see if our other block is intact. So now going to 4 hours, we have two different POI right here. As you can see, market respected it. And we have the second one below right here. That is on our 4 hours time frame, as you can see. So you have the second one below right here. So the main thing is just to mark out your POI. So on lower time frames, you can see more than two. On higher time frames, you can see only one, depending on the time frame. So now immediately market tap into this particular zone. I went to my 1 minute time frame to look out for my change of character. Like I said, I went to 1 minute time frame to look out for my change of character. So now going to the 1 minute time frame right now. Okay. Don't know, Jesus. Okay. I'm not sure this thing will still be able to view 1 minute time frame. Oh no. Okay, I don't think I'll be able to explain that right now. As you can see, I am using the free mode on trading view. So basically, let me explain the second part. So I'm actually trying to explain how I get to catch the first entry on gold right from that support zone. Right from this particular support zone. I'm only trying to explain how I get to catch this trade. But right now I'll be explaining how I get to catch the second entry, which I posted on my Twitter account. Turner__ Forex. Just go check it, you will see it there. So right now the second entry was around this side. The second entry was around, is it this side or this side, sir? Yeah, it was, I think it was around this side. It was around this side. My second entry was around this side. So now let's go to the 4 hours to analyze how I get to catch the second entry. So now on the 4 hours, I use a lot of concepts using change of character. I use change of character a lot. So now this is where we will start the analysis. So first and first, I'm seeing a change of character here. This particular change of character to the sell side is what I'm going to start with first. So I'm seeing a double break of structure around this side. This structure too, by the way. This structure too. Okay, yeah. So this structure too. It seems this chart is kind of different, but I don't even know. Okay, no, this structure one on this is structure. Okay. So this is the first one, right? So now the second one is this. The second one is this. Right here, after market has already given us a double break of structure. Yeah. Markets pull back, right? And upon the pullback, as you can see, we have a break of structure around this side. Mind you, this one is 1 hour in the daily time frame inducements. Okay, let me just. So this is daily time frame inducement, okay? So you guys will not get confused. So now we have in the inducement. So as you can see right here, we have a break of structure here. This is a protected high. Then we have another break of structure around this side. So in a case like this, this is what? This is our inducements. This is our inducements. Hey. Okay, yeah. So this one right here serves as our inducements. But then again, as we all know, the overall market be looking for a sell, right? So we have our structure one, we have our structure two. Then as you can see, at the end of the day, after market has given us a change of character around this side, hmm, that does not eliminate the fact that we have a structure here, then we have a structure above, meaning that this point right here on the 4 hours time frame is going to serve as our bearish order block. This point right, market has sweep a lot of people out. It still failed this particular order block, and then a lot of people are going to get stopped out. People thinking, oh, the market has changed character to the bearish side. right? So now upon the change of character to the bullish side on 4 hours time frame, what happened next after that? What happened next after that? We can spot our double week of structures and nation of a thing. Can spot our double week of structure somewhere around here, right? Then we have a pullback right here. This is going to serve as the pullback. Then I'll be using the concept of week to week fair value gap, meaning that from this week of structure week to hours time frame. But mind you, my SL will still be at this level, right? So meaning that this market has changed character, giving me a double break of structure on the 4 hours, and I've seen a pullback also, which is going to serve as an inducement. A lot of people will be seeing this particular zone, this zone right here, as a support zone. But mind this is just to create a trap for most price action traders, by the way, right? So if I should want to take a trade from year to year, it should be a week to week trade, right? Mind, I can't just say, sorry, I can't just say I want to execute a buy at any point in time. Immediately the market sweep out a lot of buyers at this point, right? I will have to wait for a sort of confirmation. So by the time I saw my confirmation, I saw my confirmation somewhere around here. Come on, where's all this one now? I saw from my confirmation somewhere around there. And now let me analyze my confirmation to you. So now, like I said, this is a buy. This is a buying market. A change of character to the upside. But mind you, if you should observe from year to year also, from year to year. So now using the concept of double break of structure and marking out our pullback at the same time, let me analyze that one for you also. Let me analyze that one for you. As you can see, we have a structure right here, which serves as the first break of structure, still on the 4 hours time frame, guys. Then we have another one right here, which serves as the second break of structure. Then we have a pullback right here at the same time. We have a pullback right here, which serves as that's to tell you that if you want to take a trade from here, it should be from this week to week. First week of structure week, then to the pullback week. That is where your entry model is meant to be, right? Your sell. Let's say you want to sell this trade, right? But mind you, we are looking out for buys, not sales. So now let's go to the lower time frame to explain how I was being able to catch this buy from this particular point. So now let's go to the 1 hour. So now on the 1 hour, nothing is clear right here on the 1 hour because I'm not seeing a double construction on the 1 hour. So let's go to more of like okay. Yeah. Nothing is really clear. Let's go to 30 minutes. We are seeing yeah. We are seeing a break to the upside right here. Gives me what? My single break construction. And this particular eye right here. Let me delete this. And this particular eye right here is my what? Is my double break of structure. Then this one right here, this low right here is going to serve as my pullback. That's to tell you that I want to be looking out for buy from this level to this level, right? Week to week. But mind you, let's get out to 15 minutes, whether we are going to see a particular point of interest to execute our trade directly. So let's go to 15 minutes. So on 15 minutes, our high and low, they are still very, very, very accurate, right? But in this case, I can spot a rally-based rally. This particular green candle, then a black candle, then a green candle again, which serves as my rally-based rally, right? Serves as my rally-based rally. And I marked it out. Okay, what's this one now? Then I marked it out. So that was how I was being able to catch this first move. Yeah, November 21st. I wasn't able to catch this first move, right? And I was being able to see the same pattern again somewhere around there. High, low, high, low, then high. So this is my inducement. It served as my inducement. Then what I switched by, not from this other block, but from this one. But mind you, I will always wait for a change of character. I will always what? I always wait for a change of character. So I waited for my change of character. It gives my second position around this side. But when markets got to this side, I was confused. I don't know. Basically, I was in school that day. So that was the reason I wasn't able to say I want to carefully analyze the chart and everything. So I had to just close in little profit somewhere around here. Then before I know, by the time I got home later that day, the market has moved to the upside and I was spent. Yeah. So basically that's just it for good. So right now, if I should want to say I want to do anything on gold, I'll be taking nothing but a buy. Nothing but a buy on gold. Nothing but a buy on gold. Let me go to 1 hour. If I want to be doing anything on gold, I'll be taking nothing but a buy on gold. Okay. Okay. So basically on the 15 minutes time frame, as you can see, market has tapped this particular order book block and it is currently buying. But why would I not say I just want to buy immediately? I have to wait for a change of character. If not, I am not even doing anything. I beg. I am doing nothing. So I have to wait for a change of character before I can say, okay, oh, I want to buy this particular trade. I want to buy this particular market. Yeah. So basically, that's just it, guys. That's just it. Yeah. So see you guys next week again. Successfully.